Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by parking the Tesla Model S on flat ground, engage park, and chock the wheels so the car cannot roll. Wear eye protection and gloves to guard against shards and pinch points while working near glass and metal. Open the rear trunk and disconnect the 12V battery, then wait 2 minutes to discharge capacitors and minimize electrical risk. Gather tools: T25 Torx driver, 8mm socket, trim pry tool, and a soft cloth. Clear a 3-foot workspace behind the car for parts and tools. Locate and remove the 3 visible fasteners holding the tail light assembly. Use a T25 Torx for the trim screws and an 8mm socket for the lower bolt. Support the lens with one hand and use a trim pry tool to gently release the flange. Work slowly to avoid cracking the lens or breaking plastic tabs. Pull the assembly outward about 2 inches, then locate and depress the 2 electrical connector tabs to unplug them. Place the removed assembly on a soft cloth to prevent scratches and inspect mounting tabs for damage. Position the replacement tail light assembly into the body opening and align it so the mounting tabs engage. Seat it fully until gaps are no more than 3 millimeters. Reconnect the 2 electrical connectors until you hear the audible click, then reinstall the 3 fasteners using the T25 Torx and 8mm socket. Tighten snugly, but do not over-tighten to avoid stripping plastic. Reconnect the 12V battery and test brake, turn, reverse, and marker lights from inside the cabin and with an assistant. Close the trunk and verify fitment one final time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.